Man, been a long day, guys. Yeah, we finally got her back running. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop, and I'm back with another video. As y'all already know, guys, man, for the last couple of days, I want to say for the last week, you know, I've been experiencing the no crank, no start issue with this Tahoe. I want to start off the video by saying I got it fixed, guys. It was my starter. You know, I want to give a shout out to everybody who jumped in, left me a comment, guys. Man, I appreciate every last one of you, man. You know, like I said, you know, it showed me very little to no symptoms of it going out, guys. My first sign that I should have, you know, took heed to, man, was, you know, the night that I went to get me some cigarettes from the gas station. You know, I came out, like I told y'all in the past video, man, I came out and I actually tried to start the truck, had me stranded at the gas station for close to 45 minutes, man, and out of nowhere it just started up. You know, that I was able to make it home, guys. The following morning, man, I come out, I go to twist it, nothing. I twist it back, I twist it again, she started just fine. Through the course of that day, you know, I made a couple of errands and things of that nature, man. I came home and for some reason I had somewhere else to go, and I tried it again, man, and from there, guys, it just was totally quiet. I got nothing. I didn't really hit a click, you know. That was my thing, man. I didn't really hit a click, guys. So, you know, I checked all my fuse, I checked all my relays, you know. I even listened to what you guys say, you know. I put it in neutral, and I even tried to tap down the starter, you know. Well, actually the solenoid, I tried to tap that. I guess it just was so burnt to where it, you know, I just couldn't get no more juice up out of it. You know, the cars couldn't make contact, I guess. And yeah, and from there, guys, I went to thinking, I was under the impression, you know, maybe it could be my my ignition switch, because, you know, like I said, I had done watched several videos, you know, and I had got several comments, and it just was permanent to every direction, you know, which you know, I appreciate. And yeah, like I said, guys, I was thinking for a second it could have been my ignition switch, that I had like a faulty ignition switch or some sort. But what I did know was every time when I did turn my key, you know, everything would come on, including my radio, guys. So that's how I kind of knew it wasn't an alternator problem or nothing like that, you know, because like I said, man, I had drove the truck prior, and you know, my battery stayed in the 14. It probably went up, but it fluctuated. But what I'm saying is, guys, it didn't, the truck didn't die. So I removed that from my mind. And like I said, man, y'all know these parts is getting expensive, guys. And just for remanufacture starters, man, you're gonna pay over 200 bucks, you know. So I was thinking about that, you know. I didn't want to go, you know, get a remanufactured starter. So I even much looked on Amazon, things of that nature, pretty much the same. So yeah, I just waited until my little YouTube check came, and I got a starter, crossed my fingers, and put it on, guys, jumped in. Well, as soon as I put it on, I heard my alarm, and that was pretty much like enough said for me, because prior, guys, I didn't hear my alarm. Well, it actually activated when I hit it from the whatchamacallit, but I didn't hear when I unplugged my battery for a period of time. But yeah, like I said, I heard that. From there, I kind of just had that feeling it was gonna crank, because I couldn't see, you know, what else could have been wrong with this truck, man. So I'm just letting you guys know out there, man, if you're experiencing no crank, no start problems, and you have very little to no clicking noise, yeah, I want to do like everybody else said, guys, man. First, you want to start off with your fuse, your relays, things of that nature, man. Check your grounds. It could be a bad ground. It could be like a bad power wire, the ground wire, or something like that. It could be like a bad battery. It could be a bunch of things, guys. And y'all know, you know, don't nothing give you a headache like the little problems. Little problems, just the little problems give you it's one of the biggest headaches, dealing with little problems, man. So yeah, you know, I just say don't get your nerves too bad, guys. One step at a time. You know, you can diagnose it yourself. Watch a couple of the YouTube videos. That actually helps out. Yeah, guys, man, like I say, so we back up and running. Long story short, it was my starter, guy. So yeah, like I said, man, I appreciate everybody, man, who jumped down into the comments, left your boy a comment. I couldn't have did it without y'all, man. You know, like I said, yeah, guys, like I said, man. So, man, please stay tuned. What I'll be doing next, I'll be chopping this pipe off. I'll be chopping that tip off, guys. So y'all make sure y'all stay next for that. Cause this back bumper gotta come up off of here. We're gonna pull this back bumper off. It's long overdue. So that's the next video, guys. Like I said, will be chopping that back tip off, swapping out these Escalade lights. Man, y'all stay tuned. You know, every time I say something, you know, it try to pull me back. But I tell y'all, man, you know, I always tell y'all, one part at a time. So yeah, that's what I need everybody to do, man. I need everybody to jump down into the comments. Leave your boy a comment, man. Leave me one of those comments, guys. Like I said, I appreciate everybody who jumped into the comments, left me a comment on what they feel the problem was, or it could be. Yes, sir. We running today, baby. And it's raining out here. Y'all look at the sky. It's raining. If any one of y'all in the DFW, y'all know where that spot at, then y'all already know this my little spot. So if y'all be riding down my cart, y'all see me over here doing my thing, y'all make sure y'all honk that horn at your boy or pull up. It's all good. But yeah, guys, y'all here, very quiet up front. Like I say, I will be getting rid of this bow tie as well. You know, I kind of just redid it, man. But y'all stay tuned, guys. I got plenty more in store. But like I said, man, this here video is to everybody who left me a comment, man. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, man, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Stop. We gonna get on out here, man. Logging on, signing out. Y'all remember that positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we gonna be putting this back bumper on. So y'all stay tuned for that. Like I told y'all, we gonna be doing the Platinum Escalade bumper with the dual cutouts. Y'all stay tuned for that. I will be chopping that pipe off. So y'all y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, guys, I appreciate it if you drop down low, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we gone.